Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Gmail not receiving email full storage. If Gmail is not receiving emails because of storage is full, new messages may be blocked until space is cleared. This is usually happens when your Google account storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. By freeing up storage and adjusting settings, you can start receiving emails again. To begin, open Gmail or Gmail in a browser. Sign into your Google account. Check storage usage. View how much Google storage is being used. Delete old emails. Remove unnecessary messages from inbox, promotions, and spam. Empty trash folder. Permanently delete emails in trash. Delete large attachments. Search emails with big files and remove them. Check Google Drive. Remove files you no longer need. Check Google Photos. Delete unwanted photos or videos using storage. Empty drive trash. Permanently remove deleted files from Google Drive trash. Empty Google Photos trash. Permanently delete items in bin or trash. Clear spam folder. Delete unwanted spam emails or empty the spam. Wait for storage to update. Google may take some time to refresh available space. Restart Gmail app or browser. Refresh your account after clearing storage. Send a test email to yourself. Confirm emails are being received again. Upgrade storage if needed. Consider Google One if you need more space. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.